Wilfred, me I go a bathroom go tidy because today a Father's Day and Herald them a come. So me I go get myself together. Me I go tidy up myself. I soon come back. I soon come back. Get yourself together, Wilfred. Get yourself together. Merkel. The picking them come, eral. To the Father's Day, I'm so happy, eral, I am happy to the Father's Day. Yes, I am happy. Eral, come in, Eral, come in. Let me draw a chair, make you sit down. It's outside. Oh, I need to arrange a driver for you, Papa. Oh, Papa, life is good. Oh, it's a good thing we went to school and learned very well, Papa. I'm doing my fine engineering job. Yes, Papa. I'm an engineer. Papa, I am not here to gloat and show off, but I'm telling you, Papa, you did a fine job of raising a very good man. I give you credit, Papa. Yes. But Papa, let me sit and have a talk. Yes, Papa. Yes. So, Papa, let me ask you a question. Or was it growing up as a boy? You grow well? Okay, Papa. Papa, but about 30 odd years, your mama they together, no? Married? Plus the other years, them only they together. That's a long time, you know. Long time. Papa, I hope I can carry it on. I hope I can carry it on. Yes. Well, alright, today is not a day for miracle, you know. Today is not miracle day at all. Today day is for me and you. So when you say why name again? Mosquito? I force me here, they say wine can name mosquito. Oh, mosquito. Oh, oh well, make a drink a cup of it, yeah. Me too holy enough to drink out a wine glass. Because me hand them a shake, I mean, I want to go broke the glass. So me have to drink out a cup. I the same drink. Whether you want to drink out a wine glass or you want to drink out a cup of the same drink. I the same drink in there. It's not like say me I go eat the glass. Wow, it tastes good. It tastes good. Yes, Eral. Yes, Eral, it good for grow your picking them good. Yes, Eral. Yes. I tell you, you like me hot? I'm from 1969, me had this a hot yeah. And them a hat I used to wearing at them the days there. And me care my things them. Yes, me care me things them. Yes. So I want make me have a necktie. Well, you don't know me already, Herald. Herald, me have to stay good. Me have to look good. If I even grown me, me have to look good. I don't want to drink too much of the wine, you know, Herald. Because Miracle holy I know. And me know I have to show down Miracle in a night. So I don't want to drink too much. Right. So then Erela who I go fix up this phone here for me. Hmm? Because me can't even see too good. We fix up this phone here. It look good on the box though. Yes, yes, it look good on the box. Alright, then I keep put on this so tomorrow me call Brian and beg him fix it up for me. You know the neighbor young boy we have over there. A manageable little boy, manageable. I can call him to do anything for me. Full of manners. All you hear them a complain about they nowadays pick me them now no manners. You find one and few still got manners. Yes. If me I want breadfruit to go pick off a tree, me can call him. And he go pick his breadfruit. Yes. Never frowns. Sometimes when you send money come, me give him only money. Help him make up in lunch money figure school. Encouragement, strength, labor. And him doing very well in school too. Yes. Me proud of him. Nice little boy. Yes. He live with him parents over there. Yes. Mas Jasper. Yes. And Beryl. Beryl. And Mas Jasper's son. And in them whole days they have him. When they should have tapped him out picnic. Yes. I must say when Beryl have 50, she have him. But me I tell you say, a good little boy and keep them company good over there. Her manners in stay inside. You know all about over the place I get trouble and create problem. He's doing very well. Okay. Alright then, Erala. So, Erala, when you go back. Okay, okay. Alright then. Okay, Eral. Yes, Eral. Please to like, subscribe, and share. So you can get more informative acting. Okay, please just subscribe. Thank you.